Welcome to a realm where earth meets sky, where the Indian Ocean whispers its eternal songs against rugged cliffs, and where the untouched beauty of South Africa's garden route flourishes in its full splendor. This is Pezula Private Estate, a sanctuary like no other, where luxury harmonizes with nature. Nestled atop this magical kingdom, we unveil a location which few have seen and even fewer have experienced. Imagine waking up to a symphony of indigenous forests, the dance of dolphins in the waves, and the call of whales in their seasonal ballet. Today, we step inside Sky High Villa, a masterpiece perched in this breathtaking paradise. Are you ready to elevate your senses? Let's prop in. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Let's Prop In. If this is your first time here, my name is Bia. What we do on this channel is that we explore and showcase some of the most extraordinary properties in and around South Africa. Today is nothing short of that because we're looking at a world-class property at the iconic Pezula Private Estate all the way in Knysna. Look, it's our first time this far along the garden route. The garden route is a famous route that a lot of people take that showcases the beauty and just the nature of South Africa and has to offer. If you're ever down in Cape Town, the Western Cape, do yourself a favor, take the garden route. Today we're looking at this world-class property. It does have 5 bedrooms, 7.5 bathroom. Under roof, we're looking at an 888 square meter property on an 8,400 square meter plot. The views here are some of the best we've ever seen. The properties here are just world class. As I've mentioned, this property specifically has a front row seat to some of the dolphins and the whale shows that happens throughout the August, October months. I'm so excited to present this property to you guys as it is LP Realty's brand new listing. We're so honored for this opportunity to help all our homeowners sell their high-end properties by putting it in front of the international audience. If you are a homeowner and you want to put your property onto an extensive audience, make sure to head down to the description, contact us, and let's have a chat. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited for this one. Let's prop in. As we enter this beautiful grand home, we are greeted by this large pivot door which allows us to just enter this large reception area. And as you enter here, your eye is immediately drawn to this incredible views. You see the waves crashing into these large boulders, you see the landscape, and you just feel a sense of being home in this serene oasis. It feels as though this home is sitting in the clouds by itself. It's such an incredible sensation that you have here. To my right, we have cabinetry space as well as the powder room for guests, but just bringing everyone closer here just to focus on this detail here. This is just a phenomenal piece of interior designing. We have this beautiful marble casing the inner parts of this opening, and then we have this gas fireplace. On days like this especially, this is brilliant. And we have something unique here. We've never quite seen this, but we have these chrome finishes to these pieces, and then we have this dark wooden finish just to top everything off. As an entire assembly, this looks phenomenal. But this area is blessed by this natural lighting just due to these large picturesque windows. You'll see all the spaces. The intention was to bring the outside inside, but also in terms of the color palette, it is a color palette which is more natural. It reminisces the outdoor area and brings it inside. The home is not fighting the site, but rather integrating well within the site. Back to the reception area and leading into the main living space, we're greeted by the formal lounge area. To my left, staircases leading to the main bedroom, surrounded by this beautiful glass panels. Again, natural lighting. I love this pebble finish to the floor finish here. Large tiles throughout, but even from here, the front row seat, to this beautiful view that you have. Down lighting, surround sounds throughout, and then behind me, again, the continuation of this beautiful marble finish encased or surrounding this gas fireplace. And then this entire console housing the TV and looking at the space. Comfortable, cozy couch. All this furniture and all the furniture pieces have been imported. And then leading from the formal lounge area to the kitchen and just looking at this extensive use of marble. But before we look at the marble, behind me, or in front of me rather, we have this separated wine storage unit. Again, these open niches are finished off with this marble finish, tying in all the spaces together. But here you have a beautiful setup where you can house all your wine collections. And then flowing from here towards you guys and just looking at this extensive use of this marble, large countertop space. When you do have large gatherings, you're able to display or put around finger food, snacks, and just have everyone dig in and enjoy. But as the space leads on to the next, we're greeted by the stunning world-class kitchen. And I love the fact that the architectural continuity in terms of materiality. The marble finishes sort of ties in all the spaces. It hedges the entire backsplash as well as this large island. In front of us, formal dining area, large piece of art, and then we have this high ceilings which have this opening which brings about natural lighting into this entire area. Beautiful and glamorous suspended chandeliers above us, just finishing everything off. Behind me we have the scullery as well as a 2-car garage, study area, and this passage also leads us to the other 2 bedrooms. So finishing off the tour, behind you guys we have the entertainment area, the decking, the pool which finishes off with this infinity edge. To my left, bright area, and then I'll show you guys on the drone shots the entire entertainment area. And to finish everything off, we're gonna go to the main bedroom to end off everything. Arriving at the first bedroom in this wing of the property. This property is split into 2 wings where we have 2 bedrooms this side, and then the further or the final bedrooms are that side. But starting on this bedroom, behind me we do have a walk-in closet. Floor finish, we have this beautiful carpet finish, and then we have this pop of color here, quite playful, quite tasteful as well. And then in between it we have this mirror inlays creating that illusion of space. Aircon unit throughout all the bedrooms, large bedroom area, spacious, and this entire room is enclosed or hedged off by this large glass panels, sliding doors, windows, glazing throughout. The rain is falling at the moment, but as you can see, this is such a cozy room. You can close all the sliding doors and just enjoy this beautiful scenery, the vegetation, the nature. Aiden, this is so calm.
It is, and even though you could close the sliding doors, but we have them open here at the moment. There's such a nice overhang on all of these patios. It still kind of enclose you, keep you safe from the rain, but it still feels like you're outside,
Well spotted, because if you are on the balcony, you are able there to just relax, enjoy this beautiful rain, and just take everything in. But then coming towards you guys and just showing you guys the view from in there, as you step out here, you hear the waves, you see it. The beach down there is actually accessible privately by all the residents of this estate, so it is a private beach that you guys can access. Adjacent to this estate, we do have Pezula Golf Estate, where all the amenities are also accessible to everyone that stays in this estate. Then coming towards you guys and into the bathroom, the finishes and the marble finishes continues throughout all the spaces in terms of the bathroom. Vanity finish, tying in all the spaces in terms of architectural continuity. Beautiful marble finish, floating vanity with a basin, down lighting, and then to my left, walk-in shower, water closet, bidet, and this positioning of all the bathtubs in this home is just phenomenal. While you are here, you have this phenomenal view of the ocean, mountain area, as well as the entertainment area. Then coming towards you guys and back to the landing, coming down these staircases where we're going down to the second bedroom this side, by just looking at the natural lighting, just blessing this internal area. I love the use of glass, just bringing the outdoor, indoor, it's just phenomenal. It gives this place such a natural feeling. Coming into the second bedroom here, again, walk-in closet, carpet finish, spacious room. As you guys can see, your eyes immediately drawn to the horizon. I mean, on clearer days, you can see as far as the eye can see. And in terms of the orientation of this home and the bedrooms, it is very private. All the homes have their own space, 8,000 square meters. That's insane. And then the views, I've spoken about the views. I'm probably gonna mention it way more times today. Floor to ceiling sliding doors, because it is a corner room, you have 2 points of views from a view perspective, large bedroom area, as I mentioned, carpet, and then following me this side we have the bathroom. Again, stunning marble, large mirror, floating vanity, walk-in shower, and then in this water closet we have this unique wallpaper finished with the golden tint to it, making it quite unique but also allowing it to pop out. Bathtub finish, here you have some greenery to allow you to just have a serene feeling. You can warm up the tub, have a bubble bath, and then just enjoy these views. Each of these 5 colossal suites is designed as a sanctuary, offering plush carpeting underfoot, freestanding baths, and floor-to-ceiling windows that frame uninterrupted views. Ocean, forests, cliffs, you name it. But the crown jewel, the master suite, it's tucked upstairs for total privacy with the kind of views that would make you stop and take a deep breath. It's the perfect space to relax, reflect, and just soak everything that this magical space has to offer. As we come to the end of this journey through Sky High Villa, it's become clear to me that this is more than just a home. It's a gateway to a lifestyle elevated by nature, luxury, and breathtaking beauty. But what you've seen today is just a glimpse of what Pezula Private Estate has to offer, with its expansive indigenous forests, pristine coastal landscape, and unparalleled lifestyle opportunities. There's so much more waiting to be discovered. We hope that this showcase has inspired you to dream bigger and reach higher. Stay tuned for next time, because we'll dive even deeper into this extraordinary estate and we'll uncover even more of its wonders. And until next time, thank you so much for joining us on this tour. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.